Okay, so bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. So we start first with chapter 15. Alright, kalau in RJCSC textbook. Okay, so in RJCSE textbook, okay. Reactivity of metal is chapter 15. And then chapter 16 is extraction of metal. Okay, if you see Cambridge book, okay, chapter 15 is reactivity of metal, and then chapter 16 is extraction of metal. Yang extraction tu actually about hematite, bauxite. Okay. Okay, if you want to expert in your reactivity of metals, you need to memorize the reactivity series. Okay, all right. So the reactivity series is the main point, right? Reactivity series is the main point. How to memorize the reactivity series is up to you, right? So I have in English, okay, teacher have in English and also in BM. So it's up to you which one is more suitable, right? Because ada macam cara kan nak ingat the reactivity series kan. So mana yang you all rasa senang nak ingat, is okay, you all ingat. Tapi the main, please memorize. Okay, so please memorize that one. Okay. So how to memorize the reactivity series? Okay, please stop call me a careless zebra. Instead, try learning how copper save gold. Or itu in English lah. Okay, ni macam like potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc, iron, tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, silver, iron. Or in BM, kalau nak cantik macam Anwar Zain, macam Sanda, perlu hadis ramah agama. Okay. Alright. So now, if going down the reactivity series, here. Reactivity decreases. Okay. Reactivity decreases. Alright. So now, in your syllabus, okay, for reactivity series, you will learn metal with water and dilute acid. Okay, metal with water and dilute acid. Okay, so now we touch first reaction with water. Here. You reaction with water, reaction with hydrochloric acid, reaction with acid, hydrochloric acid, and dilute acid. All you need to remember the reactivity series. So it's up to you, English or BM, right? So as long as you remember that one. So ni please stop. Kalau nak, okay, kalau nak cantik. Tapi but I add on lithium. Kalau you remember if you remember the periodic table, okay, we have lithium, sodium, potassium, or you can remember lina, kan? Lina, lithium, sodium, potassium. So now potassium at the below sodium. Teacher, why below sodium? Okay. If you already learn the periodic table, right? Kalau you dah touch periodic table lah. Going down the group 1 dia like lithium first, sodium, potassium. Going down the group 1, reactivity increase tau. Okay, going down the group 1, reactivity increase. And then the student said, teacher, ni going down the reactivity series? Yes, going down the reactivity series. Tapi we starting with the Potassium. We start with potassium, sodium, and then lithium. So reactivity decrease. Yang ni lithium, sodium, potassium, reactivity increase. Kalau going up, reactivity decrease. So kita follow the reactivity series. Going down the group, okay, going down the reactivity series, reactivity decreases. So lithium below sodium. So they react violently. The sodium, it will react strongly. Lithium, it will react steadily. Okay, potassium, it will react violently, and then sodium strongly, and then lithium is steadily. See? Violent, strongly, steadily. So that one reactivity decrease. To group 1. Then kalau nak cantik, please stop call. Ni, call me. Calcium and magnesium is a group 2. Kalau you see the periodic table, Ca2 plus and then Mg2 plus. Plus 2 is a group 2. You can know the group based on the charge. So group 2, calcium is react quickly, but magnesium is react slowly. It's a slowly, but vigorous with a steam. Okay, vigorously with a steam. Teacher, can I compare group 1 and group 2? Yes. If you want to compare, still group 1 is a more reactive. So going down the reactivity series, reactivity decrease. So group 2 is a less reactive. Okay, until here. Is it clear, sir? Any question before teacher proceed? Need teacher teach you how to memorize, how to use and how to memorize. Shall we take okay, sir? Okay. Teacher cancel the aluminium and carbon because it will not involve in your reactivity with water. It will not involve. Iron, yes. Iron, zinc, iron, yes. What? But they react with steam. Tin, lead, hydrogen, no. These 3. Copper, silver, and iron, do not react either with water or steam. Because that one is less reactive. You need to remember, if you react with cold water, you will produce metal hydroxide. If you react with steam, you will produce metal oxide. Remember that one. If you react with the cold water, it will produce metal hydroxide and IOH. But if you react with a steam, you will produce metal oxide. Okay, metal oxide. So, before teacher proceed to the next, any question you want me to repeat or what, Lawan? Let me know. InsyaAllah, teacher will repeat. Until you understand. Ada tak part-part yang you tak faham? Let me know. You want me to repeat back, Lawan?
Faham.
Faham, Alright, good. Alhamdulillah. So, alright. Okay, teacher adalah macam ni, right? So, in case lah kan, okay, you dalam exam kan? You in exam, you want to memorize. Okay, I need to memorize activity series kan? Right, so teacher ambil yang BM ni kalau nak cantik macam Anwar Zain, Pasha Sanda, perlu hadir ceramah agama. Okay, ni you nak buat untuk reaction with cool water tau. Oh, reaction cool water, I memorize the good one. So you need to have a lithium. You add on lithium here. And then calcium, magnesium. This one is Group 1. And then this one is a, oh, group 2 teacher. I tahu aluminium, they have carbon here. Aluminium and carbon does not involve in the, oh ni kalau nak memorize the carbon here in BM, dalam perut anuazin, ni anuazin tau. Ni anuazin. Inside the stomach of the anuazin tu, kan tengah-tengah kan stomach ke stomach tu. Right, so that one have a cacing. Cacing ni merujuk pada carbon. Macam nak ingat BM lah. Kalau dalam English dah ada tu. Please stop call me a careless zebra. It's up to you mana-mana. Kalau you have your own acronym pun, you do your acronym. As long as you remember. Itu yang penting. Okay. So, saya nak cantik macam mana. Okay. So then, this one dia can react with steam. But SN, PB, hydrogen, it will not involve in your reaction with cool water. And then this one is no reaction. Because that one is less reactive. And then done. So then going down the reactivity series, the reactivity decrease. So then they react violently, steadily, readily. Magnesium, they can react, they react slowly with cold water, but more quickly in the steam. And then you remember another one. Itu the way you want to memorize. Another one you need to remember. Kalau like dia suruh tulis chemical equation, right? The chemical equation. Magnesium react with steam. Teacher, magnesium I react with a steam, H2O. Steam bukan cold water steam Oh, I remember. If you react with steam, the product must be magnesium oxide. So plus with the H2. Teacher, what happen kalau dia react dengan cold water? Yes, kan? Cold water plus with H2O. This one is a cold water. But the product will be magnesium hydroxide. So plus with H2. So to here. So cold water is a metal hydroxide. Cold steam is metal oxide. So water ni, H2O ni, kalau you nak split, H plus dengan OH minus tau. Ni Mg2 plus. So then it will go to here. Okay, sayang. Before teacher proceed to the reaction with dilute acid. Any question nak tanya?
No question, teacher.
Ya, alhamdulillah. Teacher takutlah teacher terlalu short sendiri kan, alright? So I will give you macam 2 minutes to hadam. Tengok balik. 2 minutes je bagi. Okay, kalau you have any question, you boleh ask me that one dekat meeting chat, DM teacher. It's not host Alright, so insyaAllah teacher tak akan sebut nama dulu. Your friend pun tak tahu yang you tanya soalan. Tapi make sure yang not host. If host, dia kat iPad. Semua orang boleh tengok lah kalau kat iPad. Okay, jom. Any question before teacher nak start for the dilute acid? The dilute acid. Dilute acid lah. Yeah. Tak ada right? Right? So if no, we go for the dilute acid. Ini kalau you added the soda hydroxide ni, right? Because soda alkaline, you put the phenolphthalein, it will change to pink tau. Okay, you put phenolphthalein, it will change to pink. Okay, you added phenolphthalein, it will change to pink. Okay. Because that one is alkaline. Okay, so reaction with a dilute acid is the same. You just need to remember the reactivity series. Ni teacher guna English pula. Please stop call me a careless zebra. A careless zebra. Instead, try learning how proper safe goal. Same, going down the reactivity series, reactivity decreases. See, potassium, sodium, calcium is a 2 react with the acid. Magnesium, strong reaction, but aluminum, slow. Aluminum can take over, slow to react. It was not involved in the water, but it can react with the acid. Zinc and iron is a slow to react. But tin, BB, and lead, it will not involve. Same lah sini. Tin, BB, lead is not involved. Tin, BB, hydrogen. And copper, silver, and iron is no reaction. Because that one is a restrictive. So restrictive. So if you see here, magnesium plus HCl, and then you can get the MgCl2 plus H2. So you need to split H plus and Cl minus. Okay, you need to split H plus and Cl minus. Jadi MgCl2 plus H2. Observation, you can see that bubble gas form. Teacher, what bubble gas? Ni hydrogen bubble gas. And then the magnesium disappears. So magnesium solid disappear this one. You put magnesium in the solid form. So then it will disappear. Okay, so any questions? This one? No. No, eh? Right. Okay. If teacher have like calcium, I plus with the HNO3, right? So I want to know the product. So Ca is a Ca2 plus. Calcium, nitric acid is a H plus. And then NO3 minus. So calcium will go to here. So then become calcium, nitric when you cross lah. So plus with the H. Teacher balance lah. Okay, so any questions regarding for dilute acid? So no,
No, teacher.
Okay, good job. Good job, sir. So before we go to the mental displacement and the last is redox, okay? We go first. Sekejap teacher nak teach you. Kan nak teach you lah. Actually nak tengok you punya chemical equation. Okay, kalau you see first and you can nampak like one is a whiteboard tau. Okay, they have a whiteboard here. So teacher do the chemical equation. I need you to continue. So means that write down me the product and also write down me the product and also the balancing. Okay, you all do first in the paper. Lepas tu nanti teacher akan panggil. Tengoklah for example like sini kalau teacher nampak that one, contoh-contoh kan, cakap okay, Sofia, okay, you need to write dekat whiteboard teacher. Then you need to write lah, you tuliskan. Okay, tapi the first teacher bagi you write in the paper first. Okay, ini chemical equation tau, yang involve the reaction with water and also the acid. Okay, so tengok okay, so now you all do this one first. Do in the paper. So after this, teacher akan pick someone. Teacher bagi you dalam like ada 5 minit to do this one. Okay, do first Ada any question you want to ask sayang? Everything okay? Sekejap. Dia lepas kat mana? Oh, tak boleh. Is it done? Boleh teacher start panggil siapa-siapa yang macam ni. Okay, so I think you're done, right? Okay. Boleh teacher. Sofia Kaisara ada?
Ada.
Sofia, can you do the zinc plus H2O?
Boleh.
Okay. This Sofia Kaisara, this one. And then Yana.
Ada.
Yana buat Na plus H2O boleh?
Boleh.
Alright. Okay. Muhammad Yusof ada?
Ada.
Okay, Yusof, you do the potassium plus H2O?
Boleh.
Okay. Okay. 3 tu dulu. So nanti yang untuk CU zinc dan PB after the teacher check ZN and ENK. Salah tak apa sayang, cuba je. Salah tak apa, don't worry. You all cuba. It's okay. Nanti kalau salah, teacher can betulkan. Don't worry sayang. Wow, very good sayang. Good job. Alright. Okay, Sophia. Betul. Already balanced, okay. Okay, good job yang buat sodium. Very good. Betul. Ada yang tengah try cuba buat zinc yang sulfate tu kan? Okay. Teruskan. Teruskan. Okay. Ni. Yusuf yang ni salah sayang. Dia kalau potassium pluskan dengan water, H2O, it must be produce metal hydroxide. Sebab potassium is a very reactive tau, react dengan cold water. Kalau react cold water, dia produce metal hydroxide. Okay, kenapa teacher tegaskan this one? Because I pernah nampak that one dalam past paper, I tak sure tahun bila. You need to write down the chemical equation magnesium dengan steam. So mostly student, I will cakap most student 90% dia akan answer like magnesium plus water and then dapat metal hydroxide. Sebab you all tak alert pun actually steam tu bila react dengan metal, it will produce metal oxide. Sebab you ingat kalau like dengan water semuanya metal hydroxide. You all tak alert pun that one. Okay, so tu kena ingat. If dengan steam, it will produce metal oxide. If dengan cold water, it will produce metal hydroxide. So you kena ingat sequence lah yang dalam reactivity series tu. Sampai dekat magnesium kan. So magnesium dia boleh react both in in steam water and cool water. Tapi dia more react active dalam steam. Okay. Yusof sini salah siapa? Yusof ada?
Ada DJ ada.
Okay, Yusof, kalau you nak split water, Yusof, water ni kalau you split untuk cold water macam, dia akan dapat H plus dengan OH minus. So kalau K react dengan OH dapat apa, Yusof? Dapat apa sekarang? Yusof tahu ke?
Tak.
Tak, okay. Oh, Risat ini nak try. Okay, kan sekarang? You boleh try? Okay. Risat ini right down dekat here, kat sini. So this one, sekejap teacher mark for the zinc sulfate, yes kan. Siapa nak cuba for the copper and PB, you can write that one. Yeah, good. Okay, good job. Good job. Good job, sayang. Alright. Okay, Yusof. Betul lah result ini. Very good, sayang. Okay, Yusof. Yusof ada, sayang?
Ada.
Okay, Yusof. Kalau you ada K pluskan dengan H2O, Yusof. Right? H2O ni bila you split H plus dengan OH minus tau, sayang? Okay. So, bila you K, betul ni K plus. Sekejap Okay. K pluskan dengan H2O. H2O, H plus dengan OH minus. K ni K plus. So, kalau teacher combinekan antara K plus dengan OH, what is the product, Yusof?
KOH.
KOH, betul sayang. KOH. So, KOH pluskan dengan apa kalau H plus ni?
H2.
H2, betul sayang. Yusof kena ingat if you react dengan cool water, dia akan produce metal hydroxide. KOH metal hydroxide. If you react dengan steam tu like magnesium, zinc, iron, ni, right? You akan dapat metal oxide. Okay. Itu je. Is it clear, Yusof?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Alright. Untuk yang PB tu, Alhamdulillah, right? Bagi Cia, you dah try. Okay, good job sayang. Right? Tapi kalau you tengok reactivity series lagi, right? Yang teacher bagi for the react dengan acid, you know apa tak teacher cancel the PB? PB does not involve in the in the reaction. You cancel tin kan? You cancel tin, you cancel lead, dan you cancel nak cantik macam hydrogen. So it means that this one is no reaction. Okay, ada. So no reaction. So dia kira dengan acid lah, that one. Tak pernah stress lah. Cuba tak ada masalah. Betul lah. You berani. Salah tak apa. Yang penting confident level kena tinggi. Okay. Right. So Cu plus H2O. That one is a no reaction. Okay. So the main dia, right? You need to remember the reactivity series. Okay. You need to remember the reactivity series. If you can remember the reactivity series, insyaAllah that one you can do very well. So. Okay, so any question before we proceed to the next? Kita continue for the metal displacement. So no, Sam?
No.
So teacher proceed, yeah. Stop share. So teacher go to the next. Ni. Teacher cancel this one, but it does not involve. Dia tak di-involve lah. Yang you cancel tu, dia tak react. So, like, dia like does not involve langsung in your reactivity series. Reaction with hydrochloric acid. Yang copper, silver and aurum di-involve, but no reaction. Because that one is less reactive. Okay. Now we have another two, which is metal displacement and displacement of Hesse redox reaction. Then we done reactivity series. Okay, after we done reactivity series, before we go to the metal extraction, I think we'll do the quizzy. Okay, we do the quizzy. Okay, so metal displacement. Okay, so you have potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium. Same lah. Please stop call me a killer zebra. Instead, try learning how copper save gold. Or kalau nak cantik macam Anuazin, Pasha Sanda, perlu hadir ceramah agama. Okay, tapi dalam perut Anuazin ada cacing. Itu kedudukan karbon. Okay, senang je, right? If you remember the reactivity series, okay, automatically you like, okay, teacher, I dapat zinc plus CuSO4. Zinc and CuSO4 lah. Then you see the one. Siapa yang more reactive? Oh, teacher, zinc is more reactive, teacher. Zinc above copper. Above copper is more reactive. So zinc can displace copper. So zinc can displace copper. So become zinc sulfate and copper. That's why the observation you can see, right? The copper to sulfate, the color is blue tau. When you do the reaction with a zinc is a gray solid. Gray solid will be dissolved. They dissolve. Okay, it will form a colorless solution. So the blue ni, the blue color, for initial the blue color tu, they become paler. Dia kalau lama-lama akan become colorless solution. Sebab Cu dah kena displace dengan zinc. Cu ni dah jadi, Cu2 plus ni, yang the blue color ni become Cu solid. Jadi brown solid. Kalau macam like teacher tukar kan, Awan. Apa-apa remember the activity series. The main dia, the keyword dia, remember the activity series. Right? So you boleh answer very well. Memang you boleh jawab lah. Macam tu. So for example, like teacher ambil magnesium. I pluskan dengan PbSO4. So you see that one. Which one is more reactive? Magnesium is more reactive. So when the magnesium is more reactive, magnesium can displace Pp. So become magnesium sulfate plus Pp. Copy in case like, teacher, I do the Cu plus with the MgO. There's no reaction sayang. Why teacher? Because copper is less reactive. Copper is below magnesium. So copper cannot displace magnesium. Because magnesium is a more reactive. So, any questions you want to ask me? That one like you confusing or I like any question? No. Alright. Okay. So displacement we done. So now teacher nak teach you displacement but under redox fraction. Alright. So kalau in Cambridge the redox fraction is a chapter 10. So I'm not sure you already learned the redox fraction or not? In school. You touch that topic or not? You know the redox fraction? Redox what? No.
Belum belajar teacher.
Oh, belum belajar lagi. Okay, tak apa. Displacement. Okay, sekejap. Sebelum teacher nak pergi redox tu, right? So, any questions for the method displacement? Ada apa-apa nak tanya? Teacher risau tu kot laju. If I'm too fast, let me know tau. So, kadang-kadang you all lost. If you lost, let me know. Right? So, you just reply je dekat teacher punya yang no host tu. DM je tak apa. It's okay. Tak siapa pun tahu. Kalau you letak everyone tu semua orang boleh tengok lah. Right? Kalau you DM teacher, insyaAllah hanya teacher je boleh tengok. Tapi teacher takkan beritahu nama tu. You jangan takut. Tak ada setengah kan malu kan, right? You takut, you malu, tak confident. Tak jangan risau. Teacher okay je. Kalau you all lost, masa teacher tengah explain, tiba-tiba you lost, right? Teacher, I'm lost. I need you to explain back. Let me know. Okay? So, I make sure that you really understand. Right. So, any question before teacher proceed to the next? I go to the docs.
Tak
Okay.
ada.
Ada Coba tak ada. We learn redox. Redox. Okay. So, redox, they have their own topic which is under chapter 10 lah. Kalau Cambridge, chapter 10. Redox reaction. This one, we have a redox because kita nak focus more to the displacement. So, dia nak cakap like displacement ni, right? This one is a redox reaction. Okay, displacement is a redox reaction. Redox ni, okay, kalau kita belajar, right, redox ni actually oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Right? Okay. So kalau macam you are lost ke, you are nak salin ke apa ke, nak minum sayang. Right? Teacher, I nak salin. Just wait for me. Okay. Kita tunggu. Jangan risau. Okay. Beritahu je. Okay. Oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Simultaneously tu berlaku secara serentak. So means that kalau you belajar topik redox, you have oxidation and reduction. Dua-dua kena ada. If ada oxidation and reduction, then that one we call redox. And then ada soalan tanya je. Teacher, how to know that one is oxidation to reduction? What is oxidation? What is reduction? You dah faham redox, oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Right? Tapi you tak tahu like how to use the term oxidation and reduction. Okay. If you want to use the term for oxidation reduction, teacher ada 3 terms, right? Kita ada 3 terms actually. So kita boleh tengok based on the redox reaction, how to memorize this one Dia based on oxygen. You can use based on oxygen. You can see based on the oxidation number. You can see based on the electron. But no hydrogen. Hydrogen only for SPM. If you take the SPM, yes, they have hydrogen. For RGCSE, only have a oxygen, oxidation number, and electron. These 3 only. That's why teacher sebut 3 terms. Tapi I write semua lah because of the dalam you learn for SPM also kan. You belajar dalam SPM, right? Okay, so how to memorize this one? Teacher, I baca je golo, iodo, lega, LHCH. Boleh je, tak ada masalah. Okay. How to memorize? You remember gills. You tahu kan, the gills is a fish punya, gills? Fish punya gills. Insang ikan tu. Right? So then, golo. Jangan pula logo. Golo. Okay. So, tu ayodo. Golo, ayodo. Yang tertukar tau. Lega. 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 Tarik nafas lega. Lega. Alright. So LHGH. Tapi but this one you akan use for SPM. So check cancel dulu lah. So remember the gills. Golo, ayodo. Lega. Bukan lega tau. Bukan GA GE Kalau you nampak cik stop tu sebenarnya cik bagi orang hadam dulu tau. Alright. Tengok dulu. Okay. So gain oxygen, that one is a oxidation. Lose oxygen, that one is a reduction. You kena bagi macam ni, that one. So this part is oxidation, this part is reduction. Okay, so gain oxygen, one, lose oxygen. Increase oxidation number, decrease oxidation number. So increase oxidation number belong to oxidation. Decrease oxidation number belong to reduction. Lose electron is a oxidation. Gain electron, that one is a reduction. Itu the term. If you see the gain oxygen, for example like this one. Ni dia tengok base oxidation number. Okay, teacher ambil ni lah. I do that one. Mg plus with the PbO. Arrow, they become MgO plus Pb. So kalau you see the magnesium to MgO ni, alright. So that one is gain oxygen tau. Go. Gain oxygen. If a gain oxygen, so means that one is a oxidation. The process is oxidation. So they gain oxygen. If you see the PbO to Pb, they lose oxygen. So when they lose oxygen, so that one is a reduction. In one chemical equation, they have oxidation reduction. So we know as this one as a redox reaction. So that's why the displacement has a redox reaction because magnesium displace Pb. Okay, magnesium displace Pb. Okay, siapa yang tak faham, let me know. Before teacher proceed. Right. Okay. You already know the oxidation reduction tau. Ini based on oxygen lah. Tapi like, they have a reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Okay, if a magnesium undergo oxidation, right? So magnesium undergo oxidation. You opposite kan dia? Teacher, I letak oxidizing agent. Cannot lah sayang, you tak opposite kan dia. Oxidizing sama. Maksud teacher opposite kan dia. Kalau dia oxidation, kalau magnesium undergo oxidation, magnesium is a reducing agent. Itu yang maksud teacher opposite kan dia. You already know the process, oxidation reduction, and then you want to know which one is the agent, reducing agent and oxidizing agent, you opposite kan the process. Okay, you opposite the process. So then PBO. PBO is a oxidizing agent. Analysis dia tanya, teacher, macam mana cik tahu oxidizing kena opposite? Why kena opposite? Okay, then macam ni. Based on the chemistry, right? Magnesium ni, dia nak undergo oxidation. Okay, magnesium ni dia nak undergo oxidation. You want undergo oxidation ni, right? But cannot by yourself. You tak boleh yourself like to increase or decrease, no. To reduce or to gain oxygen, to lose oxygen, no. Okay, you just lose oxygen. Right? Sorry. You just gain oxygen. You gain oxygen ni. Tapi you gain oxygen from where? Daripada mana? Daripada PB. PB. Kenapa tak PB ni dia bagi oxygen? PB ni undergo reduction. Kan dia lose oxygen. So PB ni dia bagi oxygen dekat magnesium. So that's why PB ni known as a oxidizing agent. You nak cari oxidizing agent ataupun reducing agent sebelah dia. Orang sebelah dia. Macam PBO ni kan. Dia nak undergo reduction ni. So this one, PBO ni, dia need the reducing agent. Siapa reducing agent dia? Ni. MG. Tu maksud dia. Agent. So you nak buat company kan? Right? You nak jadi bombastic punya sale. You perlukan agent. So ni kiranya ni you lah ni. You nak undergo oxidation. You perlukan agent. Siapa agent dia? This one lah. Oxidizing agent. Okay, tak apa. Hadam go first. Let me know. Because this one is very important also tau. You need to understand the redox reaction. Sebab teacher nak explain for the metal extraction. Right? So then you need to understand that one. So memang kena faham lah for the redox ni. So metal extraction banyak guna perkataan reducing agent, dia guna perkataan oxidize, reduce. Yang ni macam ni lain. Magnesium, you kata magnesium is oxidized to magnesium oxide. PBO is a reduce to PB. Okay, hadam dulu, tengok dulu. Kan teacher laju-laju kan tak faham, susah agak kan? Right? So you tengok dulu. See first. And then you boleh ask me any question sayang nak tanya.
Teacher,
Apa sayang?
can you give another example?
Yeah, sure kan. You want to do that one? You want to try or you want me to explain again? Apa teacher explain, right? So another example based on the oxygen dulu first. Saya bagi based on oxygen dulu Sekejap. Ya Allah. Yana cuba. Oh, Yana dah. Okay, Yana dah say kat situ dah. Okay. Alright. Okay, so teacher bagi another example Another example for the oxygen tau. So, right, after this teacher explain based on the apa nama ni? Oxidation number pula. Kita expect pun teacher nak masuk redox sebenarnya. Okay, tapi because of the you kena faham juga redox, extraction pun guna redox, dan ni pun guna redox kan. Dan you kena faham the term dia. So teacher bagi another example. See. You plus with the magnesium arrow. Become magnesium oxide plus zinc. Okay, so teacher explain, right? Nanti ada latihan, don't worry. Nanti you ada latihan. Zinc oxide. Oh, teacher, I go to MMG juga. No. You zinc must zinc. Zinc go to the zinc. Okay, zinc go to the zinc. Oh, teacher, I remember the term. I need to remember the gills. Golo, iodo, lega, LHCH. So oxidation, reduction. Teacher masukkan juga LHCH because you akan take SPM kan, alright? So you should remember. ZNO to zinc. Oh, teacher, the loose oxygen teacher. Loose oxygen is belong for reduction. Okay, so is it clear, yeah? Clear? If I'm too fast, let me know. If you want me to repeat, let me know. Mg to MgO. Oh, teacher, Mg to MgO. That one is gain oxygen, teacher. Okay, see the acronym that one, gain oxygen. Gain oxygen belong to oxidation, teacher. Done. So magnesium undergo the oxidation process. Zinc oxides undergo the reduction process. Okay, done. Senang kan kalau ada term tu, insyaAllah. Alright, you boleh remember. Then, oh teacher, how the agent? Okay. If you want to recognize the agent, you need to opposite kan that one. Oh, if a ZNO undergo reduction, so it is a oxidizing agent. Opposite kan dia. Teacher can be reducing agent. No, sayang, opposite. Teacher tu opposite. So Mg oxidation. Opposite kan dia, tak bersama. Reducing agent. So why the zinc oxide is a oxidizing agent? Because when magnesium undergo oxidation process, magnesium is oxidized to form the magnesium oxide. Magnesium need the oxidizing agent. Who will be oxidizing agent? The other side here, zinc oxide. Because zinc oxide can give the oxygen to the magnesium. Okay. Yang minta teacher example ni. Is it clear, Sam? Is it you understand?
Clear, teacher.
Alhamdulillah. Hadam dulu. Yang mana like tak faham lagi kan? Like minum. Hadam dulu. So online kan, kalau fizikal cuba nampak muka seorang-seorang. Nanti kita break ya. Lepas habis the explain for the redox yang ni, kita ada break. So, any question, Sam? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya? No, eh? Right. So, oxygen done. Now, based on the oxidation number. Okay, oxidation number yang ni. Ni nampak ni. Oxidation number ni, senang kata like, dia macam the charge dia. Okay, oxidation number ni dia punya charge. Okay, oxidation number dia senang kataan dia punya charge je. Tapi, okay, jangan kita tulis ni. Ni oxidation numbers. So, oxidation number ni senang kata lain, nak bagi senang ingat charge je. Charge of the element. Tapi the full meaning dia, the total numbers of electron that an atom, okay, the first is atom, that an atom either gain or lose in order to form a chemical bond with another atom. Ini maksud oxidation numbers. Okay, the total number of electron that atom that either they lose dia lepas lah, or gain in order to form a chemical bond with the other compound. Ada another atom. Jadi nak combine together lah. Okay, dah. Okay, so clear now? Now, this one. This one is Zn ni. Zero. Teacher, why zero? Because the atom, dia tak combine dengan another element. Dia Zn je. Dia dalam keadaan atom. Dia tak ada lose, no gain electron. So, the oxidation number is zero. And I said, teacher, what is the difference between this one? Zn2 plus. Oh, Zn2 plus, dia dah become ions. Dia dah lose 2 electron. Ni kan kalau ikutkan macam like contoh ZnCl2. Macam tu. Ini kan ionic equation. So Cu2 plus. Cu2 plus dia ion. So oxidation number dia plus 2. Then here 0. Teacher, why 0? Atom. No lose, no gain. Right. So the oxidation number is 0. Kan the oxidation number kan kita panggil dia the total number of electron. An atom that either they gain or lose in order to form a chemical bond to another atom. Okay. So, is it clear, sir? Any question? No. So, teacher proceed this one. You dah remember the gills kan? So, O2 plus 2. Increase tau. Oxidation number increase. So, zinc is oxidized. Zinc will lose electron. So, when the zinc lose electron, so the process we call oxidation. Then Cu2 plus to Cu. Plus 2 to 0. So that one is reduction. Because they do the decrease oxidation number reduction. The process we call a reduction. So Cu2 plus is reduced and then it will gain electron. Done for process. Now if a type of agent, opposite, same. Reduction, the agent the oxidizing agent. Oxidation, the reaction the or reducing agent. So opposite. Hadam first, let me know. If you want me to repeat, or we can proceed to the next. Or you not ask me any question. Okay. Saya bagi masa you hadam dulu. Digest first. Which part you not understand, let me know. Teacher, this question usually how many marks? 1 marks je. You mean in paper 4 or paper 2? Kalau paper 2 always have lah. Paper 2 dalam like multiple choice dalam like 2 question. 2 marks lah. If paper 4, they depend. Usually the results are combined with electrolysis, electrochemistry. They can combine with electrolysis, electrochemistry. They combine dengan metal extraction. Usually dalam paper 2 tu like, paper 4 tu like subjective maybe like exam, the 3 exam maybe like 1 or 2 marks, something like that. 1 hingga 2 markah je. Ada pernah tinggi lah. I mean that like 3 to 4. Itu paling highest, 3 to 4. Yang for the two marks 1, 2 and 3 tu, when you need to calculate the oxidation number. So after this, teacher teach you how to calculate the oxidation number. Okay, is it clear, sah? Paling sikit 1 to 2. Paling banyak is a 3 to 4. Okay, so done clear, sah? Come. Kita try to calculate the oxidation number. I want to teach you how to calculate the oxidation number. It's like maths lah. One. For example, like SO4 2 minus. If you want to calculate the oxidation number for element, for the atom, it will underline. Or it will mention in your question. This one, if in the IGCSE, you can got the 2 marks. So, sulfur plus with the 4. Ni 4. Okay, 4 from here. And then oxygen is the charge. Negative 2 equal to. And then this one. Negative 2. So then sulfur equal to negative 2. Macam maths. Plus with 8. And then sulfur equal to positive 6. So means that sulfur, it will lose. Positive lose. It will lose 6 electron. Okay. To become ion, it will lose the 6 electron. That's of 4 to minus. If teacher said that MnO4 minus, Mn plus 4, negative 2, 4 here, equal to negative 1. So negative 1, this one. So Mn equal to negative 1 plus 8, Mn equal to positive 7. Okay. Teacher, mana datang negatif 2? You masukkan yang ni ke? Ni Ni daripada dia punya charge. Ni, yang ni negatif 2. Yang ni kalau negatif je, negatif equal to negatif. Is it clear? Kalau no charge, no ion, 0. So for example like kita buat SO3. So teacher nak cari sulfur. Sulfur plus 3, negative 2. Oh, dalam kurungan ke? Dalam kurungan charge je sayang. 0. Ni. Ni Ni belong to oxygen. Oxygen kan O2 minus. Kita ambil daripada negatif tu. You ambil pada oxygen. Biasanya kalau dia suruh cari tu, the element tu kita dah tahu. Macam contohnya macam like oxygen kan. Kita tahu negatif tu. Use lah negatif tu. Jangan use the 16 pula. Jangan guna proton number ataupun neutron number. So guna charge tu. Check. Welcome. So then, sulfur equal to positive 6. Itu. Okay, so then, tu lagi. KMNO4. Saya nak cari MN ni. Kita ada 2. So, K plus kan? Alright, K plus. Charge plus. So, plus 1. So, plus with the MN. So, plus with the 4. Negative 2. Equal to 0. So, plus 1 plus MN plus positive 4. Negative 2 equal to 0. And then, positive 8 minus 1 MN. So, then the last MN equal to positive 7. Tengok tu. Cuan. That one. Positive compulsory to write. Kena letak. Jangan tak letak. Oh, teacher, I dapat MN7 je. What's wrong sah? Tengok dulu, hadam dulu. Pasti kita boleh try dekat whiteboard. Saya bagi dan you need to write down that one. So, any questions? So, that, is it clear? Right?
Yeah, teacher.
Boleh teacher proceed to the whiteboard. Boleh Ada yang tengah saling ke? Tengah saling, you tunggu. Kalau tak, teacher proceed. You ada tanya kat sini ke? Lah, Mirza. Cuba say hi dekat teacher Lina yang no host sayang. Mirza, say hi sayang. You hantar dekat teacher Lina host ni. Gitu. You kan kenapa 6 tu tak tu jadi positif negatif tapi 7 tu jadi positif je. Dia positif negatif ke? Oh, bukan. Teacher tadi nak tunjukkan actually kena letak positif. Okay, tak apa. Sekejap. Teacher padam balik. Dia 1 je, Miza. Okay dah, faham? Positif je sayang. Tadi teacher terbuat. Sebenarnya nak beritahu yang kena letak positif. Okay. Jom kita pergi ke whiteboard. We go to the whiteboard. It's the same lah like just now, right? Okay, teacher akan bagi masa untuk do first. So after that, kalau siapa-siapa nak try, ni saya bagi willing lah, siapa nak try, siapa nak buat. So you can write down dekat whiteboard. Okay. Jadi lepas habis ni kita break kita rehat. Ni. Hmm. Kenapa ni? Dia 5. Okay. Alright, so do now. Okay, so means that you boleh do kat paper you. Lepas tu then after that kalau you nak write dekat dalam whiteboard ni, you write je tak apa. Okay. Alright, so bila you letak tu, letak nama ya kat tepi tu. So nanti senang teacher nak tahu siapa punya. Okay, do now. Okay, siapa yang buat number 3 ni very good. One, yeah, you got correct that one. Betul. Pandai, on pandai. Tertinggal ni. Okay. K2 CR2O7. K2 CR K2 CR2O7. Very good, sayang. Positive 6. So calculation very good. Good job. Okay, apa nak try for the number 2, number 4, number 5. Okay, for the H2O2, this one you got the positive 4, right? Okay, very good. The last you dapat positive 2. Good job. Okay, tinggal CR. Sophia, okay. We ada buat this one. Okay. Positif sayang? Ada positif Sophia? Okay, good job sayang. Good job Sophia, very good sayang. Right. Betul tinggal letak positif je. Sebab space tak ada kan. Kalau space ada, insyaAllah you dah boleh nampak dah. Siapa nak try the last CuO, Cu2O? Before we take break. This is Cu2O, kita break kawan. Yeah, after break kita sambung lagi redox. Still continue redox. Based on the electron. Dah habis lah. Then we can go to the quizzy. So after that we go to quizzy, okay? Sikit je quizzy dah 10 soalan je actually. Reactivity series tak banyak soalan. Siapa nak try? Ada. Saya panggil Yusof. Sorry, Yusof.
Ada.
Yusof, you boleh ni tak? Boleh conteng kat sini tak?
Saya try je.
Okay. Ada boleh. Okay, very good. Good job. Alhamdulillah, semua Safi dah faham dah. Ada siapa tak faham lagi ke for the redox ni? Calculation for oxidation number? So, tak ada Okay Okay, so if okay, we take break dalam 7 minit. So now 10:45 sampai 10:52. Right? So 10:52 lah. Okay, 10:52. Antara 52:53 lah macam tu lah. Right? 7 minit kita break. Okay, 7 minit. 7 minit kita break. Okay. Alright, so nanti kita start balik 10:52. Okay. Kita take break Okay, so we'll be back. Okay, we start back. Alright, so actually we done for the redox. Oh, there ada another one last, electron. Tapi electron, if they mention you the side here kan. So at the right side, that one is oxidation. At the left side, that one is a reduction. How to know the left and right side? You can use another acronym, which is a kaki, kaku, leka. This one you will use this one more in the electrochemistry. So in electrochemistry, you will learn more for the kaki, leka. Okay? Alright, so kaki, ka kanan actually, ki kiri. Ni kalau bagi dua, this one oxidation, this one reduction. Kanan, kiri. So kanan that one for the oxidation, kiri for reduction. Ka kanan that one is here. Alright, electron at the right side, kanan oxidation. And then the electron at the right side, sorry, the left side, kiri, reduction. Okay, Sam. Any question? Ada apa-apa, Wan? So everything okay?
Okay.
Nice. Alhamdulillah. So kalau tak ada apa-apa soalan, can we do quizzes, huh? Sekejap, teacher do quizzes. Oh, before we do quizzes, sekejap, wait. Sekejap, dia ada soalan yang apa? Sekejap. Extraction of metal. Extraction. Okay. Alright, done. Sekejap, teacher nak erase the answers sebab dah ada jawapan. Ada one question about the reactivity series. Okay. Kita buat sikit pasal reactivity series. So after that, baru quiz. Okay, Sam, this one. Yang ni. Yang ni yang actually yang teacher ada bagi exercise for the extraction of metal. And chapter 15, reactivity of metal. Okay, so then you pergi dekat page, you go to the page yang ada like the box yang ni order of reactivity. Yang determined by the displacement reaction. A student investigate the reactivity of the four metal. by carrying out the series of experiment, each of the metal, so lead, manganese, silver, potassium are added separately to aqueous metal nitrate, all other metals. So you turn the right if a displacement reaction occur, cross displacement reaction does not occur. Okay. Cakap you huh? Okay, so if see here, actually you boleh je keluarkan the reactivity series. Yang please stop call me a careless zebra. Instead try learning how copper save gold. You boleh je guna ni, tapi cuma tak ada manganese lah. Right? It's a no manganese. So, okay, PB here. So, let's here. Silver here. Zinc here. So, means that zinc is more reactive. Okay? Zinc is more reactive. Because if you see here, manganese, okay, with zinc nitrate, so no displacement. So, magnesium cannot displace. Magnesium. Manganese cannot displace zinc. So, zinc is more reactive. So, zinc can displace all. On the right. Okay. Because here, nampak that one. You can see here, manganese with zinc, it will not displace. Because zinc is more reactive than manganese. Zinc is more reactive than manganese. And then silver. It go to the lead. Okay. Manganese. So, see manganese, see the plus one here. So, manganese can displace PB. On the right, displacement reaction occur. So, manganese can displace. So, Mn plus with PB NO32. So, right, displacement can occur. So, it can displace plus PB. So, it can displace the PB. Because on the right, displacement occur. So, it means that manganese is more reactive than lead. So, lead cannot displace manganese. And then silver, all lah, no reaction. So, let me know which part that you not understand, huh? Or you want me to repeat back that one, let me know. Ada tanya kat sini ke? Tak ada. So, all understand yang kan?
Faham.
Faham. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Syukur Alhamdulillah. So, ni, if you want to do the reactivity, most reactive, most reactive. The most reactive is a zinc. So, manganese is a number 2. It's up to you lah kalau you nak write down the name. If you write down the symbol. Because they said that identify the kind of one. Manganese. And then lead. Then silver. Done? Very good. Okay. So, clear? So, faham sekarang? Start dapat persoalan
Faham.
Alhamdulillah. Okay. Jom. Only this one is reactivity series. Yeah, I check the paper one. I think this one have. Yeah. Paper 2, sorry. Multiple choice. And ini dekat soalan objektif. Dalam same paper, you buka objektif. Question number 3. Ni pun you can use the reactivity series je. If you nak cepat lah kan, you can use the reactivity series. You dah remember the reactivity series kan? Please stop call me kalau nak cantik macam Anwazin, Percasanda. Kalau nak cantik macam Anwazin, Fasha Sanda, perlu hadir ceramah pertama. So please beware. Now, that one is less reactive to most reactive. It's not the most reactive to less reactive. Least reactive to the most. Least to the most. So jangan ambil calcium pula. Terlalu laju. Fast, very fast. Dah ambil. So then here, silver, lead, zinc. Okay. Ni silver. Here. So lead here. Zinc here. Calcium here. So ni no lah zinc. Let's see. Senang kan? Right? You just remember the reactivity series. Ni dia react dengan cold water. Cold water you pun dah boleh nampak, right? Okay, so any questions, Sam?
Ada.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. So, jap, kita try. So, kalau tak ada, right? So, I think we try to do the... ada lagi, Sam? Displacement. This one. 7. Only 7. 7, sorry. Only 6. Silver is less reactive metal than cadmium. Silver is less reactive. Silver. So, mana silver sini, right? Cadmium CD sini. Cadmium is less reactive than barium. So, barium is more reactive. So, going down. Reactivity. Decrease. So, barium does not react when heated with silver oxide. Barium reacts now. Dia react. Dia react that one. Because barium is more reactive. So, wrong lah. Cadmium displace barium. Mana boleh cadmium is barium is more reactive than cadmium. Mana cadmium can displace that cadmium displace barium from solution of barium chloride? Cannot. Cadmium displace silver from solution of the silver nitrate. Yes. Cadmium displace silver. So cadmium react with the heated barium oxide. No. React when heated with the barium. No. Cadmium cannot displace barium. So see. So let me know which part that you not understand. If I'm too fast, if you want me to repeat, let me know. Okay, so done sekarang? So if done, okay, kita try buat quiz ni. Okay. Bagi teacher. Sebab banyak pun soalan sini dalam 10 question ni. Okay, get ready for the ni. Give teacher 2 minutes. Okay. Right, only 9 question. Teacher share. Don't worry, the question is very easy, sayang. InsyaAllah you can score. Please try, don't see the notes, sayang. Okay, please try that one. Okay. How many members you have? 12. Okay, 2, 4. Ada lagi like 2 ke? 2 ke? Ada lagi 2% kan? We have another 2%. So, sekejap. Check ya Adi dah ada. Hanis dah ada. Hanis belum lagi. Oh, Hanis belum masuk lagi. Damia dah ada. Ilhan. Oh, Tisha dah ada. Okay. Siapa Just Khairunisa? Just Khairunisa ke tak ada ni? Jazira dah ada. Jazira Mirza dah ada. Yusuf ada. Kasih ada. Risatini. Risatini sama ke dengan Diva? Teacher saya tak boleh nak masuk sebab internet saya. Oh, okay. Faham ni. Sakit tak apa. It's okay, saya tak apa. You tengok diorang jawab soalan. Okay. Tak apa. Cepam. Siapa ada masalah internet beritahu Tak boleh masuk beritahu, tak apa. It's okay, teacher okay je. Okay, faham. Teacher start yang macam tu. Okay. Okay. Congratulations, ah. It's okay. You dah do well lah. Very well, ah.
Tak ada teacher.
Okay. So, kalau tak ada, kita go to the metal extraction. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Right. So, because you all dah faham the topic activity series of metal. Okay. So, teacher happy. Cuma ada sikit lah kan. Sometimes you all the careless what? Right? Okay. So, extraction of the corrosion of metal. So, now kita sambung this one. I think macam like, kita ada half an hour. Maybe extraction and corrosion of metal ni boleh habis half. Separuh pada tu. Nanti kalau ada masa ni, kita jumpa lagi. Okay? Right. Okay, extraction of corrosion of metal. Sama juga, right? This one you need to memorize the reactivity series. Okay? Kalau nak cantik macam Anwar Azim, please stop call me a killer zebra. Okay? Now we use carbon. Just now kita tak use carbon kan? Now kita guna carbon. So kalau you nampak this one, extraction of metal, you learn two. Okay, you belajar bauxite and hematite. So before this, kita ada three. Kita ada zinc blend. Zinc ni lah. Ni sini. Before this lah. But now they remove zinc blend. So now we learn bauxite and hematite only. Okay? Alright? We learn bauxite and hematite. If you see the aluminium is above carbon, Sam. So above carbon, so means that one is a bauxite. Above carbon, aluminium is more reactive than carbon. Okay, aluminium is more reactive than carbon. So when the aluminium is more reactive than carbon, we cannot use reduced by carbon. So we need to use the electrolysis. Above carbon, electrolysis. Aluminium, magnesium, calcium, sodium, potassium is a true electrolysis. Okay, electrolysis tu you learn electrochemistry. You already learn electrochemistry or not, Sam? Dah belajar ke electrochemistry? Kalau
Belum.
Oh, belum lagi? Okay. Maybe you form 4 kot, rasa belajar. Kalau IG, Cambridge punya dia chapter 6. So, dah belajar lah. Okay. Right. So, aluminium. Right. So, aluminium, bauxite. Actually, bauxite is a Al2O3. Okay, bauxite ni we can call aluminium ore. Aluminium ore, bauxite is the same, Al2O3. Fe, hematite. Okay, hematite, Fe, iron. So, the below carbon tau. So, when the below carbon, you can reduce by carbon. Okay, you can reduce by carbon. Okay, you can reduce by carbon. So, because iron is a less reactive than carbon, or carbon is more reactive than iron. Ni you use the word, if you want to explain, use the word only reactive. GCSE easy is reactive je. SPM je, like banyak more negative, more positive. Electronegativity, electropositivity. GCSE reactive only. So this one I cancel H. Okay, ni you nampak this one is a bauxite. Bauxite. What's your bauxite? Ni hematite. Okay, now this one. Alright, so extraction of metal. Extraction of hematite through iron ore. Okay, extraction of hematite through the iron ore. Iron ore is a Fe2O3. This one is not what we call, it's not neutral. It's not neutral. It's not the pure. Okay. You have an iron ore, limestone, and coke. Okay, you have an iron ore, limestone, and coke. So please remember, in IGCSE, always use the word lime. Limestone, lime water, slate, lime. And lime is not the green one punya tau. Selalu student ingat teacher. The lime like this one Ini lime ke? Ni. Ni ingat yang ni. Tu. No In chemistry, lime is not yang this one. Lime is a calcium oxide. Okay, calcium oxide. Slate lime and lime water is a calcium hydroxide. Slate lime and lime water is calcium hydroxide. Slate lime is a solid. Lime water is a solution. Limestone, that one is a calcium carbonate. Cuma the same is lime water and slate lime. CaOH, calcium hydroxide. But the different, lime water is a solution. In solution, slate lime is a solid. Okay. So, this one is we call blast furnace. If below carbon, okay, you use the reduction by carbon, you need to use a blast furnace. So in the blast furnace, right, you have 3 steps. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay, we have a step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay, at the above part here, see that one? You added the iron ore, coke, limestone. You put it together. Iron ore, coke, and limestone. Okay, before teacher proceed to the below part, any questions? This one. Ada apa-apa nak tanya? So clear now? Okay. Yusof, nak tanya apa-apa Yusof?
Tak ada cikgu.
Okay. Right. Okay, now teacher nak explain you step by step. Step 1 dekat bottom Step 2 and step 3. Step 1, alright. So ni dah start ada oxidation reduction. So you dah learn tadi kan, alright. Carbon plus oxygen, then you can get the carbon dioxide. Carbon plus oxygen, then you got the carbon dioxide. So step 1 we known as a redox reaction. Step 1 is a redox reaction. So coke is coke. Coke is carbon. Carbon is coke. Coke is carbon. Inside coke have a carbon. Okay. Coke burn in the air. Air blast air. And the furnace get very hot. So step 1, actually you increase heat. You increase heat, you giving off the heat. So exothermic reaction. You release it to the surrounding. If you want to know that one is a redox reaction or not, alright, teacher can I see based on the oxygen? I said cannot because how? Same, cannot. So you can see based on the oxidation numbers. Carbon 0. 0 no 1. No lose or no gain. Oxygen O2 alone by itself. O2, no lose, no gain, 0. But CO2 you combine. So it is compound. So they have oxidation numbers. So carbon, I calculate that one is positive 4. And then oxygen same, negative. So 0 to positive 4 oxidation because iodo increase oxidation number. Negative 2 to 0 to negative 2 decrease oxidation number. So reduction. Okay. So, is it clear, sir? This one? Step 1. You got the carbon dioxide, right? Step 1, you get the carbon dioxide. Step 1, you get the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is gas now. When the carbon dioxide is gas, carbon dioxide will rise up. So go to the stage 2. It's not go to the bottom because that one is gas. It will go to the step 2. Step 2 at the above step 1. Okay, so before teacher proceed step 2. Any questions?
No.
No. Okay, step 2. Carbon dioxide will rise through the furnace, rise up to the furnace. Again, it react with the carbon and it reduce to the carbon monoxide. So step 2. Step 1 at the bottom part, step 2 at the above the step 1. Okay, so carbon dioxide, it will react with the carbon to form carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. This step 2 is endothermic. You lower the temperature. Endothermic kan dia absorb heat from surrounding. So then the temperature will be lower. So any questions?
Tak ada.
Okay. Okay. Step 3. The step 3. The blast furnace, step 1 below, step 2 and step 3. So that you remember, teacher, I know the step 3 is a reduction. Alright, so maknanya reduction of iron trioxide occur. So Fe2O3 plus carbon monoxide, and then you got the iron plus carbon dioxide. Reduction of ore by the carbon monoxide. Okay, so then you got the Fe2O3 plus CO, then you got iron plus carbon dioxide. So then iron will trickle to the bottom of the furnace, trickle like this one. Because stage 3 is step 3 at the above part kan. So bila dia form in the iron, alright, automatically they become trickle at the bottom. So then they become molten iron. Okay, molten iron. Okay, so until step 3, is it clear, Sam? Clear? So major impurity of iron ore in the sand is major impurity of iron ore is a sand. So which is silicon dioxide or silicon oxide or named silica. If you want to remove the impurities, you need to remove by the limestone. Limestone is a calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Okay, limestone is a calcium carbonate. Okay, so we have in the blast furnace. Okay. This one, if you see here, in the blast furnace. So you have step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay, step 1, step 2, and step 3. Okay. Teacher nak minta tolong Yana.
Ni saya.
Okay, Yana, sayang. Step 1, what happens? We don't see the notes. Jangan tengok notes. Kalau dapat nanti cepat.
Apa tu nama dia? Alamak, tak ingat dah.
Carbon plus oxygen.
Oksigen. Lepas tu
So the form what? Tak apa, it's okay. Try. Carbon
CO2.
CO2. Yang ni we call coke. So coke will burn in air. So dia burn in air, actually the refer for oxygen. Okay, so what happened to temperature here? Increase or decrease?
Increase.
So increase temperature. So this reaction is exothermic. Okay, exothermic. Okay. Alright, so. Okay, again Yana. Step 2 Yana. Step 2, what? Carbon monoxide, what Anna? Plus with what? They will react with what? Anna ada? Lupa
Lupa
Carbon?
lah teacher. Sorry teacher.
Tak apa, so kisah. Okay, carbon dioxide plus carbon and then it will form carbon monoxide. So, tadi carbon dioxide will rise up, go up. After this, carbon monoxide will go to step 3. Okay, step 3 ni, iron trioxide, you plus with carbon monoxide. Alright, then you got the iron plus carbon dioxide. So then you need to balance lah sayang. Make sure that you balancing. 2 and then 3. So, is it clear, sir? Any question for the reaction here? No. Okay. Mirza. Mirza ni Mirza. Mirza dia. Mirza reply kat chat ke? Tak ada. Okay, tak apa. Okay, Mirza. Which type is a redox reaction? So which type is a redox reaction? Redox is oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Okay. Step 1 is a redox reaction. Okay. So step 1 is a redox reaction. Okay. Step 3 pun also redox reactions. Okay. Step 1 is a redox reaction. Step 3 pun also redox reaction. It's not step 2 lah. Right? Okay. Still remember one. Okay. So why is it that you need to remember? Okay. Because in your this one. This one. Ni, sekejap teacher ni. This one. Ni. Ini example question your paper 4 for metal extraction. Right? So metal extraction. Student paling takut this one. Because it's really hard to memorize sebenarnya. Alright? So you need to do the more exercise for metal extraction. So they say that coke and iron are added at the top of the blast furnace. Yes. Coke and iron. So coke and iron. Iron ore, iron ore. So you added the coke plus with the iron ore. So they have a 3 actually. Plus with a silicon. Not silicon, sorry. It's a calcium carbonate. Limestone lah, limestone. Calcium carbonate also can. Limestone also can. Coke, iron ore and limestone. So name the substance that live in the blast furnace at A. A for sure molten iron. The above part that one slide. Slide after this teacher will explain. So teacher tak sentuh lagi calcium carbonate actually. Nanti dia akan produce slide. Teacher baru sampai dekat extraction sampai metal sorry molten iron only. So name the impurity in iron or is converted into slag. Ni pun teacher tak ajar lagi. So biar dulu. Right. Name the two substances that react together to produce high temperature. High temperature is a step 1. See in the blast furnace. Step 1. Kalau step 1 is a coke or carbon plus oxygen. If you want to say carbon plus oxygen also can. If you want to write coke plus oxygen pun also can. Then name the two waste gas that leave the blast furnace. Okay, you have a nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and argon. Oh, teacher, why nitrogen? Okay, you cannot remember that. That's how we cannot call the hot oxygen. It's not only oxygen enter to the blast furnace. Nitrogen also enter. Right, that's why we call hot air. We also have a nitrogen. So that nitrogen will not use in this reaction. Right? So that's why the leaf has a blast furnace one. We have a 78% kan? You learn biology the one? 78%, right? For what we call? Percentage of nitrogen. Nitrogen just used for plant only. Argon is noble gases lah. Okay. Right, so is it clear, Sam, for this one? Any question? Okay. Done, Sam? Okay, now here. Ni. Name the main ore of iron. So if they said that main ore of iron in the blast furnace. Ini another question for metal extraction. If the main ore of iron, that one we call hematite. If they said that main ore of aluminium, that one we call bauxite. Okay, main ore of iron, hematite. So main ore of aluminium is a bauxite. So then name the other substance that enter the blast furnace of A. A here, that one is a hot air. Teacher, if I answer the air also can? Can. If you want to answer hot air pun also can. And then name the reducing agent in the extraction of iron in the blast furnace. So means that in the step 3. Okay, because the step 1 and step 3 is a redox kan. Okay, reducing agent is a carbon monoxide or carbon. Okay, carbon monoxide or carbon. That one is a reducing agent. So if you see the Fe2O3 plus CO arrow, and then Fe become Fe plus CO2, and then balancing 3, 3. Okay. So you see that one Fe2O3, Fe2O3 to Fe, it will lose oxygen. Go low So reduction. Reduction. CO2, CO2 increase oxygen now. That one is a oxidation. Gain oxygen. So when the oxidation is when carbon monoxide undergo oxidation, CO must be reducing agent. Opposite kan? Opposite kan? Okay, you need to opposite kan? Okay, so So any question before I nak explain the last for the metal extraction for the hematite?
No question, teacher.
Okay, good job. Sekejap, wait. Here, ni, the one. So the major impurity of iron ore is a sand, which is a silicon dioxide. You want to remove the silica. You want to remove the silicon dioxide. You remove by the limestone. That's how we added the limestone. Okay, that's how we added the limestone. So CaCO3, calcium carbonate, okay, you arrow, dia become calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So that one thermal decomposition. We need the calcium oxide. Calcium oxide we call a basic oxide. So calcium oxide plus silicon dioxide, then you got the calcium silicate. Question 6 for. Question 6. This one Oh, this one ke? Yeah. Yang ni ke sayang? That one? Is it? Oh, I will not explain yet. That one. Check, wait. Teacher explain this one first. This one. Okay, right. So you do the thermal decomposition first. You added the limestone. Calcium carbonate, it will decompose to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So calcium oxide is a basic oxide. Silicon dioxide is a acidic oxide. Silicon dioxide, that one is silica. It's a sand. So they become calcio tau. It become calcium silicate. The process we call neutralization reaction. Ini neutralization reaction. Okay, you have a calcium silicate. This one, calcium silicate will form a slag. Slag will float on the iron. Yang ni blast furnace kan? One. Yang above iron ni, ini molten iron. Ini slag. Slag ni batu tu, stone. Batu ni. The stone, nampak? Nampak? Teacher dah zoom in dah. Ni stone. Ini slag kan ni? Ini slag. So to make a slag, we use for making road and building. Okay, we use for making road and building. Okay, so any questions regarding for this one before I nak explain for the question number 6? No
No.
Okay. So, jap, teacher explain back this one. And okay. Okay, your friend tanya this one, right? Okay, explain why limestone. Why limestone added to the blast furnace? Why? Give a detail to the chemical reaction that involved. Give a detail. Slide one. First kan, kalau tengok my note, that one I tulis, I write the calcium carbonate, arrow, calcium oxide, plus with calcium carbon dioxide. So this one we call thermal decomposition. So limestone or calcium carbonate, because I said limestone, I said limestone lah. It's a thermally decomposed or thermal decomposition, undergo thermal decomposition into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Then you got 1 mark. So then after that, calcium oxide, it will react with a silicon oxide or silicon dioxide to form slag. You react with the silicon oxide or silicon dioxide 1 marks, produce slag 1 marks. Okay. So, is it clear, sir? Any question? Risatini, is it clear, sir, for the question number 6? Do you understand, huh? Okay, good. Good job. Like this one kan, right? The above part here, wait. This one today. Name the impurity of iron ore that is converted into slag. Okay, name the impurities in iron ore that converted. Impurities is silicon dioxide. It's not the calcium silicate. They nak form slag. What is impurity that one? Silicon dioxide. Okay. So clear sekarang? The last. Still lagi like under ni. The three raw material added into the blast furnace used to extract iron from hematite, coke, hematite, and limestone. If they say that name other raw material added into the blast furnace, alamak teacher, that one is what? I know three. Okay, the hot air at the bottom part, that one, the hot air, is one of the raw material. It's no hot air, carbon cannot increase the temperature. Alright, no carbon plus oxygen then become carbon dioxide and increase temperature. No, don't have actually. No. So that's why the raw material, we need the hot air to make sure carbon plus oxygen then become carbon dioxide. Okay, so is it clear, huh?
Clear.
Alright. And also this one, see 5 marks, papers for you. One chemical equation for reduction of hematite, one chemical equation for formation of the slag. Okay, so if you want to explain, please use step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, and then burn, reduce, decompose, BRD. Burn, reduce, decompose. So core is burned to form a carbon dioxide, 1 marks. Carbon dioxide is reduced by coke to form carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon dioxide is reduced by coke to form a carbon monoxide. And then the limestone decomposed to form lime or calcium oxide. Use BRD, burn, reduce, decompose. Any formation of slag lah. Okay. Alright, so done for the metal extraction. Alright? Yeah. Right. So done for the metal extraction. For the bauxite. For the hematite. Hematite. Okay. Nanti you try read lah for the bauxite and also for the metal. Corrosion of the metal. Okay, before we ended the class, any questions you want to ask me? Ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya?
Tak ada.
Oh, sini ni. Ada lagi. Okay. Okay, so kalau tak ada, teacher ended here. Thank you so much. Right. For the class today. Right. So insyaAllah kalau ada masa kita jumpa lagi. Right. Okay, so good luck for your exam. Okay, bye sayang. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay,
Thank you,
welcome.
teacher.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.